It's a monkey day. Are you ready to play? A Playhouse Disney, let me hear you say. Let me see you run fast.
It's a monkey day.
Can you ooh with ooh?
I can ooh with ooh.
Can you ah with ah?
I can with
Can you sing along?
I can ooh. I can
We just want to play with you. That was awesome! And there's more fun coming up on Playhouse Disney.
I'm gonna get the donkey life. Great,
I'm starved. What do you think?
Ooh, yes, I like it. If you ever need a blue book, you know it's right next to a yellow book.
Whoa.
Terrific!
Hey,
This is kind of like some of those paintings I saw in my big red book.
Yes, big red book. Now, where is it?
Get ready.
Whoops. I guess I'll have to reorganize my books.
That pile of books looks like a person.
Yeah, it does. Who
Are you?
Why, I'm Wolfgang Blasius, the librarian, of course. Giuseppe Arcimboldo, my dear friend, in a book.
Where did Mr. Librarian come from? Hey, that's you, Mr. Librarian. What a cool painting. You're all made of books.
Made of books and librarian.
That is funny.
Yes, Giuseppe Arcimboldo is quite fun, to say the least. Well, I must be getting back. It was a pleasure.
Uh-oh, he took my book.
Don't worry, we'll get it.
Mr. Librarian! Mr. Librarian, sir, you have my book. Wow.
What a pleasant surprise.
Hello, Mr. Librarian. I think you, accidentally brought my book with you.
Oh, the book with Arcimboldo's paintings in it. Oh, dear, I'm terribly sorry. We'll find it. But even better, you're right here at Arcimboldo's art studio at the illustrious Imperial Court. And there is the royal painter himself.
And who are these enchanting guests?
This here is Madam, and I am Donna.
Delighted. Perfetto. You have given me a most fanciful idea.
What a great costume. What's it for?
The royal pageant is tonight. It will be the most illustrious, flashy affair yet.
Arcimboldo designs the most flamboyant, scintillating parades. His imagination knows no bounds.
Oh, look.
What a beautiful picture of a woman.
This one I call spring.
Flowers and leaves and strawberries. A spring garden.
A garden?
It's a
It's a
painting
picture
of a head with a hat on it.
Yes, indeed. I see a woman's head. It's a garden with flowers.
Eddie, that's an ear.
See, it is an ear and a flower. It depends where you are. You see two different things. Now you go close, and you come back here.
The ear is a flower. And her skin is made of small flower petals.
Wow, it's a pretty lady.
two paintings in one.
Wow!
I love to make people smile and be amazed. Come, come.
Please keep an eye out for my book.
Oh, dear, yes. I'll keep looking for it, too. Arcimboldo had the dragon costume worn by a horse in a parade. Everyone was very surprised.
Whoa!
I was thinking of using that again for tonight's big gala.
A bowl of vegetables.
Nice. But it's not a bowl of vegetables. It's a strange-looking man wearing a black hat.
How can you say a bowl of vegetables is a man?
Oh, because it is. I have to agree with Maddie. It is an exemplary still life of vegetables. It's a man.
From far and close,
it's most definitely a bowl of vegetables. It's a man.
This is delightful confusion.
It is a strange gardener. The basket is his hat.
And it's also a fantastic painting of vegetables.
It's amazing. His cheek is a big onion. It's tricky.
I arrange things to look like people. It's interesting to look at something and see how it could be something so completely different.
And they're all made of what they do. The vegetables making a gardener. Spring flowers making a portrait of a spring woman. And all the books making a librarian. My book!
That's where it is. This must be a really tricky painting. I don't see anything. That would be mine.
It was a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Librarian.
Your
Your art is so wonderful. I want to make a face out of different things too.
See, it is most enjoyable to amuse people.
Have fun in the gala tonight. And thank you!
You are most welcome. Come back to see me again sometime.
Look, Eddie. Eddie, what are you doing? Thanks, Eddie.